To begin, open the NVR login page. Enter your username and password, then click Login to access the system. Once logged in, you will enter the main interface. Go to the main menu. Select Playback or Smart Search, then click on SeekFree. This will open the intelligent search interface. Choose the search category. You can select person, motor vehicle or non-motor vehicle. Select the category based on what you are looking for. In this example, we entered the description: a person wearing a blue jacket with a blue car. After clicking search, the results will be displayed here. Each thumbnail shows the matching clip with the time and match percentage. Select any result to preview it on the right side. If needed, adjust the match level to refine the search. Once you find the correct clip, you can export it directly. Searching a red car or searching a white truck, it's the easiest way to find out. This is how the playback view looks like, which also has the SeekFree feature. And this is how the events section looks like. Here you can easily customize events. This is how the new Uniview Seekfree NVR functions. SeekFree is ideal for shopping malls, logistics warehouses, hotels, and busy public areas where fast and accurate video search is essential. Stop searching through hours of recordings. Search smarter. Search SeekFree.